Hello, this is Dr. Sonja Stilp, physician, founder of RISE, and medical director at Golden Biohack. I have over 20 years of clinical experience in interventional orthopedics and regenerative medicine. I'm here today to speak with you about red light therapy. Red light therapy is an integral part of my medical practice. Whole body red light therapy utilizes red and near infrared wavelengths to facilitate tissue repair, recovery, and regeneration. Red light therapy is shown to penetrate the skin at the cellular level, activating the mitochondria. The mitochondria refer to the power plant of the cell. They create energy packets of ATP. This energy packet is the essential life force of the body. Our bodies are in constant state of repair and regeneration. I call this the restore cycle. Whole body red light therapy potentiates the repair and regeneration. When I use this modality with my patients, it leads to less pills, less interventional procedures, and less surgery. One of the 4 pillars of RISE is to empower. Use your body to heal your body. When I use whole body red light therapy with my patients that do require interventional procedures, their recovery is faster and more thorough. I prefer whole body red light therapy secondary to its systemic effects. I believe we heal best not part by part, but as a system as a whole. As a physician, it is my core mission to facilitate holistic, active healing and active wellness on our journey to rise.